Back again. You like it, don't you? Ah, have a nice shower. Yes, Jester doesn't like it, does she? Only you like the shower. Jester likes to get in a little dish, but you like to have a shower. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, pretty boy. Ah. You go behind the stick? You like it? Do you want some more? You do. Okay, here you go. Oh, is that nice? It's very cute, Vogel. It's very cute. Oh, you're just standing there in the rain. Yes. Just standing there in the rain. You like it, don't you? And look, Jester's up there. She doesn't like the rain. Does she? Nope, she doesn't. She's over there playing in a little tent. And you just want... Oh! You can't land in it. Come on if you want more. Come back up. Come on. Come on if you want some more. Oh, hello, pretty boy. Come on. Come on if you want more. Up this end. Come on. No, you had enough. Do you want any of this, Jester? Do you want some? A little bit? You don't like it as much, do you? How are you, Wet Vogel?